A Channel 2 Action News exclusive, a lawsuit filed against a group of judges. The lawyer for 4 wrecker companies alleges their lots are overflowing with abandoned cars because of a court's failure to follow state law. Well, new at 6, Fulton County's chief magistrate judge tells Channel 2 investigative reporter Mark Winnie her judges follow the law.
Lot on the other side of that gray fence, you added that when?
The end of 2022.
Because?
Because we were overloaded. No room to take any more cars in or move around on our lot.
Because of this problem?
Because of the problem.
Do you believe that you and the other Fulton County magistrate judges have done anything in connection with abandoned motor vehicles meriting a lawsuit against you?
Again, I can't speak to the lawsuit, but I would say I do not.
Ruby Hilliard tells us she's manager at Fudos Inc., a big Atlanta record company, and an issue with Fulton County Magistrate Court is threatening to wreck their business if the issue isn't fixed.
We can't tow when we don't have any more room to tow, and we have to have room, for the police when they call us to tow.
To be fair, Ms. Hilliard says most of the cars on the Fudos lot aren't part of this issue, but dozens of abandoned vehicles are. Lawyer Will Story says he's filed a petition for a writ of mandamus against Fulton County's Chief Magistrate Judge Cassandra Kirk and other magistrate judges he intends to identify as the case proceeds.
Georgia law calls a writ of mandamus an extraordinary remedy.
He says record companies send notice to abandoned vehicle owners and lien holders twice by certified mail.
It's roughly a 60-day process.
And if no one claims the cars, many of which were towed on police orders, companies file motions with magistrate court so they can recoup towing and storage fees by selling the cars. And by law, the court must rule in 15 days, but too often it's not.
We're talking about 388 motions you filed as of the time of our conversation.
That's correct.
Story says the motion in one case where an order was due in 15 days was filed in 2021, but more than 200 of the motions go back to 2022.
Are you aware of 388 outstanding motions from 4 tow companies?
So I am not, but I would encourage those tow companies, if they exist, to send them to us. We have been working with the tow companies for years.
Do you believe there are abandoned motor vehicle motions pending since 2022?
I do not.
Story's petition suggests as of January 11th, Futos Inc. had not received an order on 57 motions pending for more than 15 days, with the most outstanding motion filed on March 7, 2022. The Story says in one case a hearing was held January 8th. The petition suggests that as of January 9th, ATO Atlanta LLC had not received an order on 100 motions, with the most outstanding motion filed in September 2022. That as of January 22nd, Southside Wrecker Service LLC had not received an order on 174 motions, with the most outstanding filed in December 2021. And that as of January 25th, South Metro Towing Inc. had not received an order on 57 motions, the most outstanding motion filed on August 25, 2023. Judge Kirk says magistrate court handles many kinds of cases, landlord-tenant, garnishment, small claims, and much more, and that data for roughly 8 years shows an incredible closure rate given limited resources. She says she's had a team of judges assigned to the abandoned motor vehicle cases for years, but her budget for fiscal year 2024 has been cut, and that will affect the time those judges can spend on those cases. A Fulton County spokesperson says the budget adopted by the Board of Commissioners Wednesday reduced the magistrate court budget by $780,000 and increased the Superior Court budget by the same amount. Now, Lawyer Story says this is not about profits for the 4 tow companies. He says any money they collect over the storage and tow fees goes to the state, and the owners have a year to claim it. Reporting live, Mark Winnie, Channel 2 Action News.